Formoa 055 is a glass bonding hybrid polymer adhesive. It is a single component adhesive that is formulated specifically for primerless glass bonding with reduced viscosity but high grab. It is ideal for bonding and backfilling applications of windscreens and windows that will experience heavy movement and vibrations, such as automotive, mass transportation and most vehicles. Formoa 055 has a fast skin over time of 14 minutes and can reach handling strength in 2 hours. It comes in 600ml foil packs or bulk options. It has high bond strength with dissimilar substrates, increased flexibility, fully primerless, high grab and quick build-up of end strength, free of isocyanates and silicon, and it can withstand harsh climatic conditions. It can be too thick for some users to apply. It doesn't have as much strength as a polyurethane adhesive, and it can take too long to cure in cold conditions. Is Formoa 055 a good adhesive for you? If you are looking for a primerless adhesive for glass bonding applications that has high grab and doesn't contain isocyanates, Formoa 055 would be the perfect option for you. If you want a higher performance or faster curing glass bonding adhesive, we advise looking at alternative glass bonding products. For more information about Formoa 055, you should go ahead and download the datasheet.